today we are doing something a little bit differently. We're not traveling anywhere. We're actually right here in our home in Playa del Carmen. So welcome to our home, everyone. It's very basic, but we love it. And today what we're doing, Geovanny's mom is actually here today to cook for us. So everyone say hello to Mama Ili. Hola, Mama Ili. Hola. So that's Mama Ili. She's not going to be doing all the cooking. She's going to be showing us how to cook.
So we're gonna be the cooks.
Yeah,
well.
we're gonna be the assistant chefs. It's gonna be very casual. This is our house. This is what our lives look like. So we hope you guys enjoy.
We are going to be making Brazo de Reina and Papadzules, both of which are traditional dishes from the Yucatan Peninsula.
This is pork fat. And actually, as gross as it looks, it actually gives such a good flavor to the food. So this is the pumpkin seed powder. Again, the packaging is very informal. This is how you buy things in the store. Like, it's not packaged in a factory. It's like packaged by actual humans.
It's not drugs. They are not drugs.
These are not drugs. This is in fact pumpkin seed powder. So this is going to be one of the ingredients that goes inside the Brazo de Reina. Translated, Brazo de Reina means Queen's Arm. Is that correct, Geovanny?
Yes, yeah, that's
Queen's
correct.
Arm.
Yeah. Basically, it's kind of because of the shape that they usually do with the Brazo de Reina. It's like roll, like a Swiss roll, but in this case, we're gonna make it like more like in the shape of a tamal, which is like flat, like flatter.
A flat rectangle.
Yeah, rectangle-ish.
Yeah.
Tamal, delicious.
First, we cut up the chaya. Here, Mama Ili.
La mitad de esto.
Okay, Geovanny is in charge of peeling the eggs.
Both dishes we're gonna make today are actually filled with boiled eggs.
Yes, because we're eating meat-free today.
Yeah.
Hoja de plátano. Eyes of the banana.
Hoja, it's leaf.
Banana leaf. That is very close though. Next step is to have our banana leaf. So this is literally a leaf off of a tree that Mama Ili already cut them to the right size, but we just have to clean them off just because the food is going to be cooked inside of these. And the reason that you use banana leaf is so that you can steam the dough inside the leaf, and it gives off such a nice flavor. Can you sit? Oh, who's a good sitting bear? He's only sitting because he thinks he's going to get something. Are you going to get something?
Un bebé.
Un bebé. Es mucho? Más?
Un poquito más.
We're making a bowl, you guys. We're making it flat, kind of in like a rectangular
A lo largo.
shape.
A lo largo, así mira.
But what does largo mean? Guys, I'm working on my Spanish. We were going very slow with the learning, but we'll get there.
How those tamales are gonna end up?
They're gonna be chingon.
Nes.
They're gonna be chingones, which means they're gonna be really great. That's Mexican slang, by the way.
Estiradito, ándale.
So now we're going with the pumpkin seed powder. Oh, Ted, you love eggs. Oh, he's a good bear.
Más?
Así está bien.
Okay.
And then, I think this is where the real technique comes in, when you wrap. Okay, so we fold over one side, fold over the other side, and the third side, and the fourth side, and then we wrap him nice and tight so he can be steamed.
Le cierras.
And okay,
Contrario.
we're folding it backwards on itself so that it stays closed. Very smart. Okay. This is what the final product looks like. It's kind of the size of my hand, like a nice little rectangle. So the technique then is you've got this very large pot over here, very large, and you underneath this little breather part here, there's water, and then we've got all of the tamales kind of
In a circle.
and basically because there's water in here, it's going to steam the tamales.
Oh yes, I need to keep doing them.
¿Cuántos va, Giovannito?
Perdí la cuenta.
Perdí la cuenta.
I should have counted tamales, but I forgot. I think I was counting until 9, and I lost the count. Hopefully we have 40 tamales.
Yeah, we're expecting to make 40 out of this, which is a lot. They might not look like a lot, but They're very heavy.
If you like tamales, give this video a big thumbs up.
Cuando hicimos tamales y abuelita le
Like that. And now it's time to go make it cook.
Ooh, this is quite heavy, eh?
Well, there's 40 tamales in there.
pesado, ¿verdad? Imagínate. Nuestro amaso. Quítalo, papi. Ahí está.
If you ever wondered what our fridge looks like, we've got a nice little Nelson Mandela over there. That's my family in the Kruger National Park. That's my mom and I in Cape Town. That's my family for my brother's graduation. Yeah. Something I also absolutely love about Mexico is like how friendly you are with your neighbors. Like, we just got new neighbors and they're amazing. They've fed us like 2 or 3 times already. If they're having a barbecue, they're definitely going to come on over and be like, hey, here's an entire plate of food, which I just think is so wonderful. Coming from where I come from, South Africa, but specifically Johannesburg, you don't even know your neighbors most of the time. Like it's pretty rare to even know your neighbors, never mind give them food and stuff. So that is the reason why we're making so many tamales today, because we're going to be gifting them to our neighbors a little bit later, which we're really excited about.
Este es apazote hervido para disolver la pepita para papadzules.
Okay. So basically what we're doing is we are making the sauce for the papadzules, and this is made out of the pumpkin seed, the green pumpkin seed paste. The epazote leaf that we bought, we just put it inside just to give more flavor. And basically we just have to soak the tortillas here. Soak the tortillas, put the boiled egg and wrap them and put the tomato sauce. And this is the second dish we're gonna show today in this video.
Okay, so we're dunking the tortilla in the green sauce, filling them with boiled egg. This is the fresh tomato sauce that we were talking about.
Ahora hay que echarle la salsa arriba. Ya sirve.
Okay, now we're doing the tomato sauce that goes on top. And we're putting the chili on top because you're not really in Mexico unless it's spicy, are you?
Of course. If you don't eat chili, it's fine. I mean, anyway, it's tasty, but
But if you want to be a spicy little Mexican, you gotta get used to eating your chilies. So basically, just to explain this is a dish you kind of have to prepare and eat right away. So we've got the boiled eggs inside, the tortillas that have been dunked in the green sauce, rolled up, and then you've got the tomato sauce on top. But like I said, it's one that you have to prepare and eat right away. So we're gonna do a very quick taste test. The flavors from the green sauce and from the tomato sauce, spectacular.
okay.
Are we about to taste test the first tamal?
Sí, ya está. Ya está.
Thank
Solo
you,
es
guys.
ahí. Espera que se enfríe.
How do you feel about that?
Freaking delicious.
Freaking delicious. Okay guys, we should never have tried it without the tomato sauce. You have to have the tomato sauce on. So Geovanny has to give it another taste test. Go for it.
Like Mark Wayne's will do. Mark Wayne's, this is for you.
¿Cómo está, Geovanny?
Mmm.
¡Te estás quemando!
It's hot.
No, hombre, Geovanny, te estás quemando. Delicioso.
Delicioso, Mami Ili.
Rico.
Muy rico. One of my favorite things about the cuisine here is the tomato sauce. They put tomato sauce on top of everything, but it's not like ketchup at all. It's homemade tomato sauce made from whole tomatoes, again with the manteca for the flavor, garlic, onion.
This doesn't come with garlic.
No garlic.
No.
Onion, so just tomato, onion, manteca, and that's it. And it is so flavorful, guys. It's because, you know, the tomatoes are of high quality here, so, okay.
Delicioso.
Delicioso.
Do a Mark Wayne's face.
Guys, that's so good. Like the dough, I think because it's got so much fat in it, and it's like so like creamy, and then you've got the taste of the powder inside. What do you call it? The pumpkin seed powder. I cannot describe what it tastes like. You have to taste it. It doesn't have a specific flavor, but it's just so delicious, guys. Mm. Mm, mm, mm. Mm, mm. So we just dug in right in because we were really hungry. Papadzules, if you're in the Yucatan Peninsula, you definitely have to try them. I haven't noticed many restaurants that we've gone to that have offered papadzules. But when you do see them, definitely get them. We really hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. This is actually a video that we've been wanting to make for such a long time because this is what we do on the weekends usually. Usually Geovanny's mom comes and she cooks amazing Mexican food. So we thought, you know what, let's share it with you guys because you'd probably enjoy it.
Yeah, guys, if you really like this type of videos, let us know in the comments. So we will see you in the next one. Hasta luego.
Fer and Jose, this video is specifically made for you guys. Fer and Jose are always commenting on our videos, but specifically when there's food involved, they're going to be there. So we made this video specifically for you guys.
For everyone else, thank you very much for watching, sharing, commenting. We always make our content thinking in you guys. Once again, muchas gracias.
Muchas gracias.